What's up, nail bees? We just got a package from Madam Glam. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It is a little bit heavier than my usual packages, so I'm super excited. So let's just jump right into it.
Taking night, but taking is all that I'll do, cause yeah, I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know.
So this is the first box, and it contains the House of Mystery collection from Madam Glam. It just came out this October. So let's read a little bit of what this collection is. On the website, it says, a spell-binded symbol of colors crafted for the season of magic, Halloween, and cosmetic revelation. I absolutely love the wordplay. Let's read a little bit more. The House of Mystery bundle contains 6 cream soak-off gels and 2 Sorceress shell gels. Ooh, that must be the glitters, you guys. Let's jump into this. Second box they sent us. With the second package, they sent me a lovely mini nail lamp called Cali. And since I'm in California, that just means a lot, but it is what it is. It's really pretty and sleek. It's something that you could throw in your purse, like if you're on the go or if you're going on vacation and you want to be able to paint your nails while you're gone and give yourself like a manicure. It's something like really simple that you could just pop into your purse or your travel bag, so forth. I absolutely love how it collapses down and stays in place, so it's not something that's really loose. Once you close it, it's closed. It's just so lovely, y'all. Look how little it is. So I'm just going to take the plastic off of it so we can get a full look of it. And it works really good too, just like any other normal mini lamp. Let's remember it is mini, so it is not going to function like a bigger lamp, but it definitely gets the job done by curing your gel polishes. So as usual, we're just going to jump right into the swatching. And I got some glitter colors this time, so I'm so happy. Fairy Dust is so pretty. It gives me very much milk bath with glitter. And nail beads, I'm a sucker for any kind of green, but I've never seen this green before. They call it Nova. And when I say I have something in mind for this green and the other green you're going to see, but this one gives me like a beige green vibe. I don't know, but it's hugging me tight, y'all. Now this green, I absolutely love Chef Kiss. This is the green that I was talking about pairing. It's called Vibrancy. I have a color combo in mind for those 2 greens, and I can't wait. Look how buttery this stuff is. Like, it's just so self-settling. This gray, dark blue, listen, it is definitely fall. These colors are giving fall. This is magical times. And baby, when I say you don't have to do just burgundy and orange for fall, a good like deep gray blue, chef's kiss too. really love the color choice on this one. This one is Shadows, and it gives almost purple and burgundy mixed together because it looks purple, but when you really look at the undertone, it's giving just a slight burgundy. So I feel like the burgundy and purple was mixed together, but it's a really pretty color. So this I would consider like the burnt orange. And I think we can all agree a burnt orange is really great for fall. It's just, it gives autumn. Also, I did notice right away that I put a little bit too much of the gel color on there, but let's just look at how it evened itself out. So this color here was actually burgundy and it's called Witching Hour. These names be giving me life, y'all. And one thing I can say about Madam Glam is they really come up with like the best names for their colors. And this one is a burgundy. So I absolutely love this one. You can never go wrong with a burgundy, y'all. Y'all already know. So of course I had to save the best for last. This is a glitter gel and this one is called the Moon House. I absolutely love it because it kind of reminds me of a jack-o'-lantern on like Halloween, but you can definitely get away with it for fall. But the sheer orange with the glitter combo really is a chef's kiss. I didn't use a lot of gel, so I'm gonna go back in and grab some more gel so that way the glitter pops a lot better. Seeing this gave me an idea. So I went ahead and took the swatches and put that one over the orange. Ooh, y'all. I can't wait to do a combo with this. And here's the combo with that. I just wanted to show you guys what the orange, the burnt orange with that sheer glitter orange looks like. Y'all, just wait. And that's going to be all, nail bees. You guys that are new, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.